Welcome to Mahnoor Dietitian. I'm a dietitian helping you manage diabetes with simple, science-backed nutrition tips. If you're confused about what to eat or how to control your sugar levels, this channel is your new home. Let's begin your health journey together. Let's start with the basics. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a condition where the sugar in your blood becomes too high. This happens for two main reasons. Either your body doesn't make enough insulin, or your cells don't respond properly to it. Insulin is like a key, made by the pancreas. It unlocks your cells to allow sugar to enter and give you energy. But when insulin is missing, or the lock doesn't work, sugar stays in the blood. Over time, this can damage your heart, kidneys, eyes, and more. There are two common types. Type 1. Your body makes little or no insulin. Type 2. Your body still makes insulin, but your cells ignore it. But the good news? Diabetes can be managed with the right food, habits, and care. Some signs of diabetes include frequent urination, increased thirst, feeling tired, blurry vision. If you have any of these, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor and check your sugar. So if you want to take control of your health and learn how to manage diabetes through food and lifestyle, make sure to subscribe, share, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's start this journey to better health together.